Well, this is crazy, hey?
Yeah, it is.
Talk about overload. Like, it's just sensory overload. Yeah. Sirens and music and party barges and boats, and this is nuts. Hi, thanks for joining us in this unnamed location in the Caribbean for a real-time update. Okay, so all of us have received the dreaded email from Starlink.
So basically what the deal is, we have 2 more days before we make a decision on what mobile plan we want to go with, and that's going to work when we're out in the ocean. We have the choice between 50 gigs, 1 terabyte, and 5 terabytes, and these plans are all very expensive. Or we can opt into the pay per gig data plan, which is $2 a gigabyte. Now, we just checked out our usage and we are sitting near the 1 terabyte range for 1 month. So stuff's gotta change.
We are in a pickle with every other sailboat out there. We've all were early adopters of getting the RV version, the Roam version of Starlink. It has been a game changer for everyone who's a mariner. Let's face it, it's incredible to have affordable, unlimited, high-speed internet when you're out in the ocean.
So we've got this email, and it was about a week ago in total that they've told us all that this is changing. There's been emails in the past that said we're making some adjustments and you're gonna have to make some changes, and kind of preparing for it, but then all of a sudden it was 1 week and you're done, and you got to figure it out and go from there.
So here we are, we're 2 days away. We've talked to as many people as we can. We've looked at our data usage. We look at our expenses all the time. We're full-time liveaboard creators on our sailboat, and everything is expensive, and we limit our expenses as best as we can. So, one sec. One of the game changers that people talk about in this lifestyle has been Starlink.
Updated weather maps and routing has been a real game changer on this adventure. It's kept us safe along the way. The weather looks pretty good. Our route is set. I think we're good to go.
Hi, Mom.
We use Starlink to connect with our friends and family back home.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I just uploaded that last episode to the YouTube channel, and then I sent you the thing I need for the turtles.
Done. And no surprise here, we definitely need to use a lot of data when it comes to uploading our videos and building content for our YouTube channel. Baby, what are you researching now?
Our Spectra water maker is leaking from the Clark pump.
As you know, we do a lot of boat repairs here on Honu, and the best way to search out how to get the job done right is to do YouTube searches or forums.
So I'm watching videos on how to rebuild and replace all of the O-rings in it.
Where did you go? Starlink has given us some options for us ocean travelers on how our packages can run exactly. And if you are moving at all, then you are a part of the global package. Okay, fine. We understand, we went RV, we knew it was gonna happen someday. But now it's changed a lot because there's no definite line or understanding if you're anchored or if you're in a marina. Are we at land now and can we use our unlimited package, or are we paying $2 a gig to be out in the ocean? Or are we paying $250 for 50 gigs? So it's a huge stressor that all of us are going through right now, and Starlink is being very vague on the whole thing, and nobody really knows what they're getting.
Let's face it, we've all had it really, really good for the last year. We've enjoyed unlimited access to the internet, out at sea, and moving, all of the things that the dish wasn't originally designed for. So I think we were a part of a big test group for them, that we've shown them that their products are really, really good, and we really appreciate it. And we understand that there's a lot of moving parts in this whole system and why they have to make these changes. Right now, we can use it anywhere we want, but it hasn't been approved by every country that we go through. So there's a lot of red tape that has to be figured out, and Starlink's working through that. I think that this is a period of the unknown, where they were testing the waters and let us go for quite a while. Now they're gonna make some changes, and I don't really feel like this is the end-all be-all of what we're getting out of our Starlink.
So this is our last upload YouTube unlimited data post that we're going to be allowed to use. We're gonna hope that it's all going to come out in the wash in the end and it's still gonna go pretty good, or we're gonna start searching for internet cafes where we can start doing work again. But it's gonna be interesting, and we hope you stick with us for the ride, and we hope we can stay consistent with you, because that's our plan. We want to thank everybody who's been a part of our channel, and we'll continue to provide content and show you all the fun that we're having along the way. Thank you so much for all your support. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And a huge thank you to those Patreons
Oh
that
man, you
are
guys are
helping out.
awesome. We appreciate you all so much. Everybody, every watch, like, click, it all helps, and it all helps us keep moving forward. And it's growing every day.
Yeah.
It's super cool to watch.
Anyways, guys, we'll see you again on Friday. Have a great day. We just want to let you know what we're going through.
Ciao.
Bye.